yes, you want to vlog, but as soon as you do, you're like, whoa, this is actually way harder than I thought. A vlog is one of the hardest types of videos to make. There is storytelling, there is overthinking. How do you even vlog when your life isn't interesting? And what even is a story in a vlog? Well, let's break that down. On YouTube, there are basically two teams when it comes to vlogging. There is Team Planet and there is Team Documents. Team Planet is all about planning your title, your talking points, your vlog. Don't just pick up the camera, but plan beforehand. Team Document is the complete opposite because it's all about documenting your day. There's no need to plan, no need to write an outline, just document your day and bring your viewer along. When it comes to me, I am definitely on Team Document. Last year, I went on a trip to Sweden and I wanted to vlog the whole thing. I was quite nervous about it because I didn't have an outline, I didn't have a plan, and I have an outline for all of my videos because these are the types of videos that I make most of the time. So it felt quite strange, but as I was vlogging, I quickly realized that I actually didn't need any of that. All you need to do is just bring your viewer along, document your trip, have fun. And this doesn't mean that you don't have to be prepared. If you want to be prepared, you can do that, but I just want to say this, we are not creating a short film here. We are vlogging. So how do you actually document your day? Well, on this vlog trip, I learned a few things. And one of those things, which is probably one of the most important things, is to stop telling your viewer what you're going to do. Now it's time to get luggage. Now it's time to get some money and find a taxi. Let's find a taxi. Instead, just show them. When I cut out those bits and I would just show you what I was doing, my vlogs immediately got 10 times better. And it's the same with movies. When was the last time that you watched a movie where the main character said, I'm going to go to the supermarket because I need food for dinner tonight, or I'm going to go into the city center because I'm going to find the villain and I'm going to fight him? Exactly. But for some reason, we often feel like we have to talk to the camera and we get worried about what to say to the camera because, oh my gosh, this storyline, what am I going to say next? Let's be honest, before you actually started talking to the camera, have you taken that second to think about what you were going to say? Totally defeats the purpose of a vlog. After the first day of vlogging, it was time to edit it. And when I was editing it, I was quite struggling. I felt like the story wasn't flowing the way I wanted it to flow. It just wasn't good enough. I was basically overthinking every aspect of this vlog. So I talked to my friend Peter and we went through the edit together. This is basically where I'm at. Yeah, is it vlog worthy? Is it a vlog?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Don't overdo it. Don't do that. It's very good as it is. So don't go back and change stuff. Edit it as fast as possible because then you get a storyline. And then you can start fixing around with like, okay, maybe I can change this, but if you do too much, then you're gonna strive away from what you initially had, you know?
True. Chances are that you're overthinking the story in your vlog because a lot of people are worried, like, where is my story? You hear every YouTuber and every filmmaker talk about how you need a story in your vlogs, but what even is that story?
A story can be like beginning, middle, end of your day. So everything you do in between is going to be the story of what you do and how your vlog is going to end up.
Now here's the real truth when it comes to vlogging. It is all done in the edits. A lot of people will get hung up in the filming part or even quit mid-vlog. They're just like, I don't have a story, this isn't interesting, I might as well just quit, never mind, I'll try again another time. Been there, done that. But never again am I doing that. So here's what I did. I cut out parts that weren't good. I pieced together the story in the edit. I moved things around. You do not need to use everything that you shot that day. You do not need to show everything that you did that day because that is another mistake that a lot of us make when we don't narrate the story with words. We tend to over-explain the visuals. For example, what I could have done in a vlog was something like this. Instead, if you do something like this, your viewer's brain will be able to piece this together. Like, we get it. You went from A to B. We do not need to see every single step in the process of you getting from A to B. But again, especially if you're just starting out, or actually this applies to everyone, feel free to film the entire process, but just make sure that you do not use all of that footage in the edit. Editing is where it all comes together and where really the magic happens, and a big part of that magic is the use of music. Even when you're not feeling your edit or you feel like your vlog is way too boring, I can promise you that 9 out of 10 times, music is going to save your vlog and make it more interesting.
Music is super important in videos and storytelling, because how are you supposed to know what to feel when you watch these videos? It's almost like emotional intelligence. What's the vibe? What emotion, what vibe do I need? Setting the mood is just about just feeling it. You don't have to get so technical, just feel it and add the correct sound that you'd want to have. If you just randomly choose a popular song, you're just asking for dissonance. Your viewers don't know which one is popular. Not necessarily. They're just going to watch it and get a feeling. You have so many open doors when it comes to music, so many opportunities to do exactly what you want. You don't have to start at start. You don't have to stop at stop. You can slice it, you can sample it, you can reverse it. There's so much you can do with just one track or like one sample. If there's like just a moment, just a little moment that you like in the song, it just fits perfectly with what you're doing. Use it, overuse it.
When you find that perfect song that either sets the mood of your vlog or makes your viewer feel something, it is the best feeling. I had this one song from Epidemic that was stuck in my head. I was singing it all the time. You can ask Peter. It was stuck in my head for most of the trip. And when you find the song and you find the right songs and you see your edit come together, there is nothing more fun than that. And like Bambi said, it is all about the vibe or the feeling that you want to give your viewer. And how I always get this right is I go onto Epidemic Sound and then I filter the songs based on mood. I rarely filter it based on genre, always on mood, because that is the way to get that right feeling. So I usually just listen to a few songs, and when I hear something that is in the right direction but it's not quite it, then I click on the option Find Similar, which is my favorite option on Epidemic Sound, and that is how I always find the right song. Honestly, it's gonna be quite hard not to find the right song on that website because they have 90,000 sound effects and songs combined, so you're going to find something for whichever project you're working on. I want you to have the same amount of fun with music and seeing your edit really come together. So I have a special discount code for you. If you want to sign up for Epidemic Sound, you can get the first 30 days for free and the second month for 50% off. The discount code and a link will both be in the description, so make sure that you check that out. I came home from this trip feeling very inspired and creative and actually really excited to continue vlogging. So I actually made a vlog channel. If you want, you can check it out right here. And if you're very serious about making good vlogs and good videos, which I think you are, then make sure that you watch this video about sound design right here.